Hi there, Jason from Echo Consulting. I'm going to spend just a few minutes today talking about a feature that's available in the core Smartsheet application that goes largely unsung and a lot of the time unnoticed. Proofing. So what is proofing? Well, it's a feature that allows teams to streamline and manage the content creation and approval process, which in my own experience have noticed that can get relatively convoluted and disjointed in a hurry if you don't have some proper guardrails in place. So let's take a look at a typical example so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm a designer that's just come into the office in the morning, and I popped open my marketing shared services dashboard because I want to see what's going on for the day. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down towards the bottom, and I see a couple requests that have my name attached to them. So let's dig in a little bit more. Right off the bat, so I already have a filter that's filtered to current user, which is me. So I'm going to hit that again. And I see right up the top, request number 45. It's a high priority Smartsheet proofing tutorial, so we've come to the right place. And they want a design showing how a giraffe should properly wear a tie. Awesome. It just so happens that I already created this design yesterday, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload the proof. I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side of the row, and I'm going to select the icon that says Add a Proof. I'm going to upload the design that I've created. Now, I want to give a couple of options because you may not be aware, but it's a very hotly contested debate, how giraffes should actually wear a tie. So I'm going to invite my boss to review this here. And it just so happens that my boss has the same exact name and login as me. So I'm going to invite him. Subject, this is all default text here. Want you to review Smartsheet tutorial and leave your feedback. Allow them to download the file. Looks great. Send. Now you're going to hear a little ping, which is an email that I'm getting that's going to have a quick link. There it is, bringing me to this. But since I'm already logged in as the approver, I'm going to get these options here that say approve, require changes, and then we'll have some other dialog options over here on the proof itself. So I'm reviewing 1 and 2. Base of the neck. That's the only way a giraffe should ever wear a tie. So I'm going to leave a little dot here with a comment that says, this is the one, of course. I'm going to @mention my designer, which has the same name as me. I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit require changes. So now I've required changes. The designer is then going to get an email saying I'm requiring changes, going to give them the context, and they're going to open this up. They're going to see number 1, here's my comment. This is the one, of course. So number 2, we can get rid of that. So I'm going to upload a new design, which is tie at the base of the neck, which is the one and only way that a giraffe should wear a tie. Select this over here. Jason, round 2, toe. Round 2, ready for your review. Bang. All right. Another email is going to go out. The reviewer is going to get one. And then they're going to get this another dialog box. So let's go ahead and review this. I'm going to open this email. This is what it looks like. Show that I have something ready to review. Round 2 is ready. Open in Smartsheet. Takes me right where I need to go. This is the one. Perfect. Approved. Boom. And I'm going to hit approve here. Since I'm the only one that needs to approve this design, we can close it out. So what I'm going to do is hit review complete. And what this is doing is it's stopping all further iterations of this design. So if we wanted to open this back up, we would have to create another instance of proofing. But that's it. It's done. This is ready to go. We can close this out. We can change this to complete or whatever the status is, however your process moves along. So if your organization are already in Smartsheet, or if you're thinking about getting into Smartsheet, One of the biggest benefits of using this feature, in my opinion, is the ability to keep everything contained in a single environment. So no more linking to revisioned out folders or referencing comments from disparate platforms. Version history, who took part in it, who approved it, comments, what have you, can be referenced at any time. I should also say it's not relegated to just visual designs. It can be Word docs, PDFs, copy, schematic designs, really anything that you might want to submit for review, leave comments and feedback. Oh, Smartsheet also has a native API that links your sheets directly with Adobe. So effectively what that means is your creatives can submit reviews and proofs from Creative Cloud without ever leaving or entering Smartsheet. And conversely, you never have to leave Smartsheet and go into Creative Cloud. So you can both stay in the places that you feel most comfortable. If this sounds like something that could make your life a little bit easier, I suggest that you give it a ride. All right. See you next time.